Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Coding. I am Ayush Bakshi. So today I am going to explain you another C program that is that our question is we have to print all even numbers in the limit. So what is the even numbers? So that numbers are only divided by the two that are the and our remainder will be 0 that are the even numbers. So again I told you that those numbers are divided by only 2 and our remainder will be give 0 that will be the even. So let's start the program. So at first we should declare our variables here. So int I comma n, and then we printed a message to the console or screen using printf function. So enter the range or limit, enter the range or limit, and then take input from the user using scanf function and write percentile d and scanf and ampersand n, and then we write here a for loop that will be runs 1 to n times. So at first, you all know that for loop will be divided into three parts. At first we should initialize our variable, then write the condition, and then increment it. So at first we write initializations I is equal to 1, and then we write our condition I less than equal to n, and then increment the I value, then open the for loop code. Here we write a statement that is, if our I divided by 2, sorry, divided by 2, 2, and remainder will be equal to 0, then the even numbers will be printed, otherwise the even number will be not printed. Percentile d slash t is basically a escape sequence that basically printed tab space and then print the I value. So that is the code, guys, and run this code. Then you can see all even numbers here are printed. So how this code will be working? So let's understand better in dry run. So let's dry run this code. So our input will be I will be 10. So at first our for loop I value will be 1, and then 1 less than is equal to our n value is 10. So 10 I less than is equal to 10, condition true, it entered into the loop body. So here we check the condition at first. So if 1 modulus 2, modulus basically return the remainder. So modulus 2 is equal to 0. This condition will be true, this condition will be not true, because if we divide 1 by 2, our remainder will be not 0. So this condition will be false. Again the for loop will iterate and our I value becomes 2. So 2 less than is equal to 10, condition true. Again we enter into the for loop body and check here a condition that is 2 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, condition true. This condition will be written 0, and here printed the value 2. Then again the for loop will be iterate and I value incremented becomes 3. So 3 less than is equal to is greater than is equal to 10, condition true, enter into the for loop body. So 3 modulus 2 is equal to 0. This condition will be not return 0 because you cannot divide 3 by 2, and uh, our remainder will be not 0. This condition will be false. Again the for loop will be iterate and our I value incremented and I becomes 4. So 4 less than is equal to 10, condition true, and enter into the for loop body. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Yes, because 2 into 2 4, so our remainder will be 0. So here the 4 value will be printed. again the loop will iterate and I value becomes incremented and 4 becomes 5. So 5 less than is equal to 10. Sorry, out this. So 5 less than is equal to 10. Condition true. Enter into the loop body and check here the statement, that is 5 modulus 2 is equal to 0. No, this condition will be not written 0. So our condition will be false, and again the for loop will be thread, and 5 increment I becomes incremented and I becomes 6. 6 less than is equal to 10. So this condition will be true, and again enter into the for loop body and check here this statement, that if 6 modulus 2 is equal to 0, is if we divide 6 by 2, then our remainder will be 0, because 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So our remainder will be 0, and here will be printed the value 6. And again the loop will be iterate and I value will be implemented, and 6 becomes 7. 7 less than is equal to 10. Yes, condition true, because 7 is smaller than 10. And again the enter into the loop body, 7 modulus 2 is equal to 0. This condition is false, because we cannot return 0. We cannot get 0 if we divide 7 by 2. So this condition will be false. Again the outer loop will be iterate, and 7 will be I value will be incremented, and 7 becomes 8. So 8 less than is equal to 10. Condition will be true, and again enter into the for loop body and check here the if condition. If say 8 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Yes, condition true, because 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So this condition will be true, and our remainder will be returned 0. So here the value 8 will be printed, and again the for loop will be iterate, and I becomes 9, and 9 less than is equal to 10. Condition will be true, and enter into the for loop body. So 9 modulo 2 is equal to 0. Condition true, condition false, because we cannot divide 9 by 2 and our remainder not return 0. So this condition will be false, and again the loop will be iterated, and I value becomes incremented and I becomes 10. So 10 less than is equal to 10. Condition true. Enter into the loop body. So 10 modulus 2 is equal to 0. Condition true, because 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So here will be printed the value 10. Again the for loop will be iterated, and I value will be incremented and becomes 11. So 11 less than is equal to 10. Condition false. The loop will be terminated, and final these all even numbers are printed to the screen or the console. So that's why it, guys. This is our today code, and thank you.